Is foundation damage covered by homeowners insurance? Most of the time, it's a no-go, but there are some exceptions you gotta know about. So here's the deal. Homeowners insurance usually covers sudden and accidental stuff, like if a car crashes into your house and messes up the foundation, you might actually get some help with that. But if the damage is because of regular wear and tear, like cracks from the ground shifting slowly over time, or water seeping in because you didn't keep up with your gutters, that's probably on you. To protect yourself, keep an eye on your foundation for cracks or sinking spots, and fix small problems before they get huge. Also, make sure your yard drains water away from your house to avoid water damage messing with your foundation. If you do notice any odd smells, dampness, or weird cracks inside, call a pro fast so it doesn't spiral out of control. Get a home inspection every few years to catch anything early. And remember, read your insurance policy carefully to understand what kind of foundation damage they cover and what they don't. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming all foundation damage is covered under their homeowner's insurance policy, which it usually isn't, and so, don't get caught off guard. Another common issue is ignoring small warning signs like tiny cracks or uneven floors, which can lead to costly repairs later. Fix those early. Lastly, many homeowners forget about maintenance like keeping gutters clean and proper drainage, which helps prevent foundation problems in the first place, so don't skip that stuff. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle foundation, repairs, and other home improvement needs. It also makes it easier for contractors to find real work from people who need their skills, keeping everything simple and reliable.